This is the Bosch PL1594K 3¼ inch planer. The powerful 6.5 amp motor provides up to 16,500 RPM, so you'll see fast stock removal and a smooth finish. Door and drywall installers, framers, trim and finish carpenters, remodelers, and other tradesmen will appreciate the power and accuracy of this tool. The versatile two-blade system equipped with Bosch wood razor micrograin carbide blades lasts up to 30% longer and resists fractures from nail and staple strikes. The handle was designed at the optimum angle for comfort and forward motion of the tool, while the ratcheting depth knob makes for quick and easy adjustments. Chip ejection controls allow shavings to be ejected left or right depending on your workspace. A spring-loaded park rest stand was designed with a special shape which allows for easy startup in the middle of the workpiece. The bevel guide fence ensures consistent planing from 0 to 45 degrees with a protective shield covering the section of the blade that's not in use. So there you have it, the Bosch PL1594K 3¼ inch planer. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch planers and sanders.
My name is Danny Tawney and I work for Manor Bros Home Improvement. I've been in this business for coming up on 18 years. There is no normal in remodeling. I mean, every day you're doing something different. My first impression of the 20-volt circ saw was that it actually has a 7¼ inch blade. I feel completely comfortable doing any large project without having to use a cord because you're confident that the battery will last. The runtime is probably the most impressive thing because it does last a really long time, and not just for the amount of trigger pulls, but when you're doing long rip cuts, you know it's going to go through. The brake on it is awesome. That's the big one for me. I am currently in the 20-volt system right now. Having this is perfect. I used the DeWalt table saw, I used the miter box, all of their drills, their reciprocating saw, their oscillating saw. Oh, this is a 10 out of 10. I feel comfortable with the saw on any job that I'm doing.
While the F-style clamp is certainly one of the most useful and versatile available, there are certainly some clamping applications that make it difficult to get a good grip on the handle. Bessie's innovative GearKlamp is the solution. While functionally the same as an F-style clamp and priced to compete with typical one-handed clamps, the handle has been moved to surround the clamp bar, while still operating the Acme screw at the end of the arm. What makes this possible is an innovative gear train sealed within the clamp arm, allowing for the Acme screw to be operated remotely, a feature not found on any other clamp. This means that in tight locations where an F-style handle may be obstructed, the handle of the GearKlamp is outside of the working area, allowing for a proper grip and reliable clamping. In addition, the arm of the GearKlamp features a clutch mechanism, which allows the arm to be closed with just a push, then released with a simple trigger, allowing for presetting the arm position when needed. The unique GearKlamp comes with a protective pad for the jaws that is easily removable, exposing the molded-in clamping grooves. There are many situations around the shop where a clamp needs to be applied in an obstructed area, and the first of its kind remote handle of the GearKlamp allows for a full application of the clamping force in these situations. The GearKlamp can be had in 6, 12, 18, and 24-inch clamping capacities, all with a throat depth of 2 3/8 inches. And provides clamping force up to 450 pounds. They're lightweight, with even the 24-inch capacity clamp weighing in at just over 2 pounds. Used alongside your existing F-style clamps, the versatile GearKlamps from Bessie are a cost-effective addition to your shop.
My name is Tony Cuban. I'm the owner of Quality Home Remodeling. I've been in business for 10 years, been in the trade for 17. It delivers the power that I come to expect from a DeWalt product. What I love most about this saw is that it's super compact and how versatile it is with the 4-position blade change. And it has that DeWalt's no-quit attitude when it comes to getting the tough jobs done.
Mi nombre es Benjamín. Trabajo por 15 años. Es pequeño, me ayuda a meterme en espacios más pequeños.
My name is Fred Reno. I work for Habitat for Humanity of the Chesapeake. I've been with Habitat for almost 13 years. I like the tool because it's lightweight, compact, and very powerful. There are times when we just can't use a reciprocating saw because it's too long. You might have to take something apart to be able to get to it, so you've added work that doesn't need to be done. So this gives you a little bit of more flexibility in working in tight space.
I would describe DeWalt as always being reliable, tough, and having the power I need to get the job done.
Hold everything. The next generation of tools has arrived. Where adaptability increases productivity. With intuitive design, revolutionary speed, pinpoint accuracy, and track saw-like precision. Rigid strength has never been so flexible. Meet the NGX clamp edge system. Set it, clamp it, and cut it. The power is in your hands. The NGX clamp edge system. Designed performance by Bora Tool.
Doing finish work? Then the AccuMASTER digital 7-inch angle finder ruler is a must-have tool you need to carry with you at all times. Save time, save money, eliminate frustration and waste, make the right cuts the first time. With the included belt pouch, the digital angle finder ruler is always at your fingertips. Measure inside and outside angles with ease. Displayed by tenths for angles up to 360 degrees. The precision 7-inch rulers provide plenty of surface to ensure an accurate measurement. And when you need it, the precision ruler is always at your fingertips. The stiff action will retain the measured angle so you can move it and get a closer look. Or press the hold button to freeze the measurement on screen. Another press will clear the display for the next reading. To take an absolute measurement, line up the rulers and zero out the device. Then spread the rulers to match the shape of the angle. For a relative measurement, measure the reference angle, zero the unit, then measure the target angle. The difference is calculated for you. Before you cut, use the digital angle finder ruler to calibrate the angle settings on your tools. This is the perfect tool for woodworking, crown molding, trim work, and so much more. It's a sturdy, durable, professional-grade tool designed to withstand years of use. The AccuMASTER digital 7-inch angle finder ruler comes to you from Calculated Industries and is backed by our 2-year warranty. Buy with confidence. For over 40 years, we have provided accurate and durable tools to millions of customers, helping them to work faster, easier, and more accurately.
Gravity Heel Kit is a must-have accessory for your gripper. Its unique patented design is much more than meets the eye. What makes Gravity Heels different? They add a physical heel to your gripper, but conveniently retract mid-board while working with longer stock. There when you need it, out of the way when you don't. The length of the heel can be adjusted by tightening or loosening the knob. Not only does the Gravity Heel help push your workpiece through the cut, it also prevents tear out. They're designed to be cut and serve as a sacrificial backer. This is especially useful when cutting with an aggressive bit on the router table. The profile gets routed into the Gravity Heel, fully supporting the material from the back and preventing it from tearing out at the end of the cut. The Gravity Heel Kit comes with 5 heels and all the necessary hardware. You ready to step up your gripper game? Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Here. I want to show you great new products from FASTCAP. You've been asking for this. We finally got it. So originally our long nose marker was in black, but now we have it in silver and gold. I'm going to demo these real quick for you. You're going to love them. They're so cool. So you take this out like this. Here's your silver one. Now we did another thing. We actually made the tip a little bit fatter, so it shows the line just that much easier, and it's so simple to do all this. We recommend allowing the long nose marker ink to dry for about 5 to 10 minutes so you don't smudge it when you're cutting around it, or use a hair dryer just to lightly dry it before you start to cut. It makes all the difference in the world. It's an amazing new product. So now the new long nose marker comes in 3 different colors: black, gold, and silver, and you're gonna love this product.